In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play God of War Chains of Olympus on your PC using the PPSSPP emulator. I will also be showing you the best settings to utilize to get the best performance and FPS on your PC device. Now, simply start by searching for PPSSPP for PC on any of your browser. Now, you are going to see the official website. So, go into the official website, click on the download button. Once you click on that, it's going to ask you which device you want it on. Obviously, we want it on our PC. So, we are going to be clicking on PPSSPP installer. So, once we click on that, it's going to start downloading the installer setup for our device. Now, once it's done downloading, simply open up your folder, and then install PPSSPP to your device. And just like that, it is done installing. So click on finish. Once you click on finish, it's going to open up the emulator for the first time. So once you open up the emulator, it's going to automatically create a PPSSPP folder inside your document section. So if I go to my document section right now, you see that there's a PPSSPP folder in here. You can see the PSP folder containing each and every folder that is needed to actually play PSP games on PC device. Now, if it do not create this folder for you, then it's very simple. Just come in here, click on browse, and then select any folder you want to use on your PC, either download, document, or anyone. Click select folder, and just like that, it's going to create everything you need inside that folder that you have selected. Now, let's insert a game in here so we can actually play a game. Now, to do that is quite simple. Simply locate your game file. So I'm going to be locating my game file real quick. So for this video, it's going to be God of War Chain of Olympus. Yeah, I found it. So copy your game file and then go to your PPSSPP folder. Go to the game folder and then paste your game file in there. Now, as you can see, this is actually a zip file. So sometimes zip file, they are not playable. So the best thing you have to do, just extract the file. So I'm going to be extracting this zip file. Now, if you are not able to extract on your PC, then go and download this app that is called WinRAR. Once you download WinRAR, you'll be able to extract. So I'm going to be extracting this file real quick. So let's just give it time to finish extracting. Alright, it is done extracting, so I'm not going to be needing the zip file anymore, so I'm going to go ahead and delete that. Now you can see that the game file is right here. So let's go back to our emulator. Now if we click on PPSSPP, PSP, game, you can see that the game is in here. Okay, you can see it in here. The game is here and it's ready to play. Now, like I said, you'll be needing some settings for your PC. So let me show you how to set that up. So first thing you need to look into is your rendering resolution. Now this depends on how powerful your PC is. Now if you are using a low-end PC that is not that powerful, you can go for 1x PSP or 2x PSP. But if you are using a PC that is very powerful, you can go for 4x PSP or even 8s PSP, which is 4K. But as for me, I'm going to be using 4s PSP 1080p. Then all I have to do, just scroll down a little bit, click on frame skipping, select 2, click on auto frame skip. Now this full screen, you can choose to use full screen if you want to, but for this video I'm not going to be using full screen. So let's play this game. Oh, I almost forgot. Now you are going to be needing a controller. It's very important. If you want to play on your PC, you need a Xbox 360 controller. I already have that. So let me insert that real quick. So once I insert that, you are going to see that you can see game controller connected. So right now I'm controlling this PPSSPP with my controller. So do make sure to get that as well. And please, if you are finding any value at all from this video, do consider smashing that subscribe button, because doing that is going to help me to grow my YouTube channel. And I'm really going to appreciate if you actually take out time to do that. Now let's play this game and see how it actually goes.
Suffering for years, Kratos, the once great general, now known as the Ghost of Sparta, had pledged himself as a champion to the gods of Olympus.
Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.